Hi friends, I am Kidak. You're watching Tech Meet Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this numeric themed clock widget on any phones you're just using. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So, how to get this super beautiful Google clock widget on your mobile phone on your Android? Just update your Google Clock app on your Play Store. Then you just need to insert this widget. Just long press on your screen, then go to click on the widget option. Just scroll down, find the option called clock. Click on the clock option and just need to choose the first option called analog. Just long press it or click on add widget. Now it shows the state of the clock, set the clock face. So here I just using about the numeric this clock, the second option. Just click this. So now the clock has been inserted, just long press on it. So you can just resize the clock like this. Or you can just resize the clock again, like bigger. So this is how you just insert the letters to Google clock widget on your mobile phone, any Android device. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.